Kahit naman po anong mga pag-aalipusta, yung mga personal attack against us, against me, as spokesperson ng Maharlika. So nais ko lamang pong sabihin na ang foundation ng Maharlika Nation, no matter what might happen, ilalaban at ilalaban namin para nang sa ganon ay maintindihan ng sambayanang Maharlika na nakakalat sa iba't ibang bahagi po ng mundo. So nais ko lamang pong ipaalam sa inyo na handang-handa na po kami upang risbakan yung mga nag-submit ng subpoena against sa kay Bai Amala. So as a spokesperson ng Maharlika Nation, I would like to announce everyone that we are going to fight this battle when it comes to legality. We already prepared our statement and we are ready to submit our complaint to the civil law. At the same time, we are also preparing our response and complaint to the International Tribal Court, at lahat ng ahensya ng gobyerno ay papasahan po namin ng KAPE against doon sa tatlong complainant na pinamumunuan ni Captain Alex Celes. So this is not supposed to announce, no, I am not supposed to announce this to the whole world that we are going to fight them back with regards to battle in terms of legality. No, people of the world, to all my followers in other countries, were kept on asking what is the status of Maharlika Nation after the after the release of subpoena, wherein the subpoena are really direct to Bai Amala of Maharlika Nation. So as we studied the subpoena, hindi naman po yun talagang mabigat na mga statement, no? We are already no? We have already lawyer from civil law, we have also lawyer from customary law, at ang galaw po ng Maharlika Nation, as a spokesperson ng Maharlika, I will personally file a complaint and direct to the Ombudsman, direct to the Department of Justice, sa PRC, including the NCIP. Of course, we will copy furnish it, including po dan po sa may maybe Department of Education. There are some alleged personalities who mock Maharlika Nation. So you need to learn your lesson. Ako, naaawa lang ako sa inyo kasi kayo ay nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno. Kaya lang, because of you use your power, that is what we call grave misconduct. At the same time, yung mga accusations, baseless accusations, hindi po papalampasin po ng spokesperson ng Maharlika. So this is a battle between good and evil. Now when it comes to legality, you question the legality of independent nation Maharlika. Now we will fight it in accordance to the principles of law of coordinations or international law, and at the same time we will apply also the national law. Always remember that Luman, there is no superior in terms of justice. Lumad indigenous people are protected by Republic Act 8371. Because it's very clear that the state of the Republic of the Philippines recognized the rights of ICCs. So, I'd like to encourage all Maharlikans all over the world, if you believe the principle behind Maharlika Nation, if you believe munting tinig ng ordinaryong Maharlika, I am not a lawyer by profession, but we will fight this to defend the moral of Maharlika Nation, no matter what might happen. That is why to all those complainants, because the complainant is Police Captain Alex Celes, at the same time, Datu, Police Master Sergeant, do not use the budget of the government of the Republic of the Philippines when you fight back against Maharlika Nation. I challenge you, okay? Provide your own expenses. I did not underestimate your financial capacity, but for your information, we have millions, at the same time billions of budget against you. So this is now the time for you to learn your lesson. Okay? For those who wanted to mock, at the same time, this is not a warning. For those who wanted to destroy the credibility and the sanctity of Maharlika Nation, wherein the place of Jews and people of Bathala, you will be learning your lesson. Starting today, since you mock, you misjudge, okay, you throw false accusations against Maharlika without knowing the legal foundation of this, you will suffer the consequences. Okay? Do not intend to fight Maharlika Nation when you are in the government. Because, first and foremost, whether you appear to the court of international tribal or appear to the court of the civil law or not, you are bounded by that legality. Your, what we call this, pension, your retirement will not prosper because there is what we call a pending case against you. Yan ang wala kayo na mayroon ako. Kaya nga, dapat, kailangan, bago ninyo ako, naaawa lang ako sa inyo ba? Sa totoo lang. Hindi ko ipagmamayabang ang aking posisyon bilang dato. Ipinagmamayabang ko ang aking prinsipyo at paninindigan. I informed that I really wanted to forgive you. But for the sake of Maharlikan people, for the sake of Maharlikan Nation, I will stand this fight. I will declare war of legality. So this will be now the time for you to hire credible lawyer to defend yourselves. But do not use money of the government to defend your personal intention to accuse Maharlika Nation. I am very much happy because you did not include me in the subpoena. But I have already a notion that I am also one of your target. You file a case against me. We will let our lawyer in civil law and at the same time customary lawyer to review the subpoena in order that the prosecutor who released that subpoena will also suffer in the name of tribal people at the same time Maharlikans all over the world. This is a declaration of legal battle. We will not fight you based on baseless arguments. This is now the time to let the people of the world, that indigenous people in the state of Philippine Republic will rise, defend the dignity no matter what might happen, even to the extent that we need to risk our life. This is not just a simple arena. Make sure that you have 1 million and make sure you have 1 billion of pesos if you want to fight the freedom that we wanted to raise up. Remember, my dear followers of mine or not, this is not just simply a matter of saying anything without basis. This is a redemption of dignity of indigenous people. That's why no matter what might happen, I will doing live every day. And I'd like to inform everyone, I have a notion that all satellites are already in direct to munting tinig ng ordinaryong Maharlika and in the Maharlika Nation. I know that from the very beginning. Now, I'd like also to inform everyone that when the time comes that I cannot do live, meaning I have a feeling that the satellite are already in a position to destroy Maharlika Nation. But you cannot do it. I know that a lot of people already, especially spiritual and who are knowledgeable of the Nizara Jizara and at the same time global receipt, already knowledgeable of the Illuminati, the Cabal, the CIA, those who are business community, who have what we call secret society and community on the underground, but ordinary people doesn't know about it. No, what I am doing is just simply enlightening you, open your mind, open your heart, that there's something happening around us that our ordinary people don't know what that particular happening is that. Okay? That is why what I want is your support, your cooperation. We need to work hard hand in hand just to fight back those who are evil group of people who wanted to destroy democracy, who wanted to destroy humanity, who wanted to destroy true religion direct to Bathala. So that is the reason why I presented Bathala here a lot of criticism. And I don't know what happened to the people of the Republic of the Philippines. This is what I'm supposed to do if I don't have any concern of humanity. Why I am doing this? Because nobody did. Instead of criticizing, scrutinizing what I am doing, just discern and support me and support Maharlika Nation, because this is our nation. Nobody is exempted. You are part of what I am fighting for. I am fighting, I am keep on enlightening people who are not enlightened, because I want you to redeem your dignity. You should be very thankful for that, because you cannot find someone like me, and that is reality, who are willing to risk my life in order to regain the dignity of the chosen people of Athala, and that is what we call indigenous people.